Hi everybody, and welcome to another episode of the Opal and Mommy Baking Show.
I'm Opal
And I'm Mommy. No, I'm Mommy! And today, we're not baking, but we're making edible cookie dough. That'll be good, huh? Why are you crabby? Alright. Let's get to mixing, huh? Alright, Opal. So first, we need this. What's this?
Butter.
Very good. And then we're going to mix it with this. Do you know what this is?
Sugar.
That's right.
I
And
love
this-
sugar.
You do?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we're going to mix it with this. What's this?
What is that?
You don't know?
What's that?
It's been too long since we did one of these.
But what's that?
It's vanilla.
Vanilla.
That's right. So we're going to beat those together. Oh, don't shake it. Oh, it's going to be all bubbly and gross. Whatever. All right, we'll be back. Opal would like to do the scooping this time, and I think that's a fair request.
But I'm going to do it by myself.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotta make sure it's all the way full. Is it all the way full?
Yeah, it is.
Close enough. Pour it in. Very
In the
good.
butter. See this one?
Yeah.
This one is little.
You like the littlest one?
But I'm going to pour this one in the little one.
We actually need a teaspoon though, and if you use 1/8 of a teaspoon, it would take 8 times doing that. You want to do 8 times?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, hold it over the thing, please. No, I'll do it. You hold this here. Alright. 1. Flip it. Good. 2. Oh boy. 3. 4.5. 5. Good. 6. 7. 8. Oh man, that was really something. What's this thing?
Mixer.
Electric mixer. And what do we have to do when Mommy's using this?
Keep our hands far away.
Very good. Ooh,
The butter.
is it doing a good job mixing?
Yeah. Good job, electric mixer.
Good job, electric mixer. Alright, so that's all beaten up. And something interesting about why you can't normally eat cookie dough, sometimes people think it's about the eggs, and sometimes people
But
think
what's
it's about...
funny wants to see a rainbow.
Hold on. Sometimes they think it's about the flour. And so, in order to make flour safe to consume raw, you have to heat treat it. So you can do it in the oven, or you can be like me, and you can do it
I smelled it.
in the microwave. How did it smell? Oh,
Good.
I am so glad. Glad you... Oh, wow.
Mm-hmm.
What a very sweet girl you are. Wow. We're gonna heat treat the flour now.
There we go.
All right.
Do it a little
I'm
bit.
gonna put a little bit more because I think that was only like a half a scoop, but you did a really good job. So now we're gonna put it in the microwave for 15-second increments until we get to 1 minute and 15 seconds. And we're gonna continue to stir it every 15 seconds.
And I can stir it for 15 seconds.
Sounds good to me. So we're stirring it after 15 seconds. And we're gonna do that several times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. All right, Opal, can you hold this?
Oh, yeah.
All right, I'm gonna pour salt into it, and then you're gonna pour it in. Okay?
Okay.
So leave it right here. Okay. Pour it in.
Mhm.
Very good. And then we're gonna pour in the flour that we just heat treated.
Okay.
Oh, Yeah, scoop by scoop? Okay. Or we can just dump it in. Oh, it sticks to the sides when it's cooked. Good to know, good to know. Check out Opal's hands, everybody. They are full of flour. Go like this. No, not with that. Here, take your hands. Go like this. Over the bowl. Thank you. Good job. All right, now we need the milk. Can you hold it over there?
Yeah.
Over the thing. All right. Oh, dump it in. And a little more. And dump it in. Very good. Now we're gonna mix it all together again. Is it doing a good job?
Yeah. Good job, mix.
All right, the last thing we need to do is put sprinkles in it. But first, we gotta make sure that we get these out of here, right?
Yeah.
Would you like to lick one?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. Mmm, yum yum. We are gonna use the sprinkles that we had from 4th of July that I didn't use. So, red, white, and blue. We're gonna have very patriotic edible cookie dough. All right, Opal's gonna pour them in. Nice job.
Now they're all gone.
Good job. And then I'll carefully mix them in, and then it'll be all done. That was a pretty easy one today, huh?
Mhm.
We just took a little taster of it. What do you think, Opal?
I like it.
Would you say, mmm? Mmm.
Mm-mm.